Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Here, this will be a video on how to replace a smoke detector. I already have everything cut from it. This is a something 20B, first alert smoke detector, and reinstalling one of those. And the same process will be for downstairs. So, anyway, I'm gonna set the camera down onto this, so you might be able to see. So, first thing you want to do is, unscrew the smoke detector from the thing. Just one up. There we go. So here's the smoke detector head. That's the last step. Push that in, and then screw these. Just like that. Here's the base. And I don't recommend doing this with the power still going to it, but you can't really shut power off this. So, unscrew this. Hopefully it doesn't go off right now. Screw that back on. And the reason why I'm removing this is because the new one is wireless. So there's the old wiring harness. And now I'm just gonna push on the wiring. And this is probably gonna be an all-in-one video. So about 4,000. Still rolling. Okay, you guys are still rolling. No, take the old detector, or I'm gonna take the new detector. Now, I'm gonna take the new base, and right here is the new detector base.